The first step in fraction measurement division is to come up with a question. So for my question I have 2/5 of a candy bar and want to give 7/3 of a candy bar to my friends. How many friends can I give 7/3 of the candy bar to? So first I wrote down my problem, 2/5 divided by 7/3. And the first step is to find a common denominator. So I'm going to take this 3 and multiply it by 2 and the 5. So on top I'm going to have 2 times 3 over 5 times 3. Next, I'm going to do the same thing but with the 5. So I'm going to have 5 times 7 and 5 times 3, and I'm going to write it the same way. 5 times 7 over 5 times 3. Now we can look at this in picture form. So I have these drawn out right here. Each of these big boxes is defined as the whole. So right here you can see I have 2/5 of the whole because I have 2 out of the 5 shaded in. And over here I have 3 big boxes because 3 is the whole, and I have 7 little boxes shaded in because of that. So the definition of division tells us that we have to split each box into smaller pieces and have them be the same. So to get them to be the same, we're going to use our common denominator, which is 15. So as you can see here, I divided my 2/5 into 15 pieces by adding 3 columns across. And over here, I did the same thing, but instead of adding 3, I added 5 columns, because this is now 5 times 3, which is 15, and this is 3 times 5, which is also 15. So next, we are going to kind of disregard the denominators for a little bit, and we're going to just look at the top section. So we're going to have 2 times 3 divided by 5 times 7. Now, we're going to write that in fraction form. So we're going to have 2 times 3 over 5 times 7. Now, we can rewrite that as 2 over 5 times 3 over 7. And rewrite that again to 2 times 3 over 5 times 7, which will give you 6 over 35. So as you can see here, I inverted and multiplied. We started with 7 over 3 up here, and then as we came down, we changed into 3 over 7, which would finally give us the correct answer of 6 over 35.